viewers, welcome to my channel. Lydia here speaking. I'm an entrepreneur based in Kampala. I am passionate about tourism. Yes, my channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. Under travel, I talk about Uganda tourism, East Africa, Africa, holidays world over. And then affiliate marketing, which is the promotion of other close products and services to earn commission. Like I mentioned, I'm passionate about tourism. So today I've come to share with you passion and business, to be specific, passion and tourism business or tour operator business. This is my third video in the series I started about starting and operating a successful tourism business. So I believe, as an entrepreneur who has been in this business for some time now, I believe passion is very, very important if a business is to succeed. Before you're starting any business, do you love what you're doing, or you're doing it because other people are making money? I believe if you do business because other people are making money, you may end up being frustrated because you don't know their path, you don't know what they've done to reach the level they are. So passion is very, very important. It's a driving force that can motivate you to go an extra mile. One thing I know, a tour operator business, like any other business, is not really a walkover that you'll just start and things work out. No, you must put in an effort. You must be committed. So in order to be motivated to go an extra mile, to take the action that will take the business, that will make the business successful, or the tour operator business successful, passion is very, very, very important. I remember me before I joined this tourism industry, from my childhood, I always loved to travel. I always loved to look after people. I'm a very hospitable person. Those ones who know me, yeah, believe what I'm saying. I'm hospitable. So, and this has helped me to stay in the tourism industry for some time now. And if you don't have passion for what you're doing, when challenges come, it is very easy to give up. Like during this pandemic, I have seen people who have given up. There is one gentleman who mentioned that tourism, no, I've given up, I've gone to agriculture. But me, it has never crossed my mind. No matter whatever came, no matter the lockdowns, no matter how business was down, I still stayed in the industry. And many people have done so. They've stayed in the industry just because they are passionate about what they do. You know, yes, we do business that we are passionate about, expecting to earn, but it's not the driving force. Because I believe if you do business, when the driving force is getting money, when challenges come, or maybe when the money is not coming, it is very easy to give up. But if you're like passionate, if you love what you do, if you have that self-motivation in you, I don't think you can give up. And this can give you as in more energy, more yearning for looking for ways of how you can succeed in business. I believe because of my passion in the tourism industry, I ended up opening up this YouTube channel where I talk about tourism. Whatever I do, I may not be doing it like the best or what, but one thing I know is that whatever I do, whatever video I produce, whatever I talk about, I just love. I just have that satisfaction of talking to people about travel. So I believe passion is very, very important if you want to succeed in business. If you want to start up business, sometimes I get people who ask me, I want to start business. Which business would you advise me to take up? Because every business has its own challenges. So that means every business has the potential of succeeding, and it all starts with you who is starting the business. Do you love what you're going to do, or you're doing it because other people are making money? So I believe for any business to succeed, passion is number one. Passion will take you through the tides of the business. It will take you through the challenges of the businesses. Even when things are not working out, you will be motivated. You're like, because I have to succeed, I have to my business has to succeed. So you are motivated. You are motivated. But if you entered that business because maybe a friend pulled you and say, no, come and we do this. Maybe because you're seeing other people are making money, or because news are going around that it's now trending to do this and that, then you run. I don't believe it's right. Though some people may earn, but I believe it's temporary. But if you want to start up something that is maybe a lifetime, do something that you love. Don't do business because other people are making money. Don't do business because maybe it's what they are talking about. Maybe, you know, it's very, very, very important. So I hope by this video, by listening to me, you have been motivated to do what you love. To do what you love. Do you love travel? Do you love looking after people? Are you hospitable? You know, or something small puts you off. You know, sometimes we deal with clients, tourists, and you know, people have, you know, there are different opinions about this and that. So do these other people's opinions put you off or what? So as long as you love what you're doing, as long as you're passionate about what you're doing. For example, me, I can imagine if I travel, go somewhere and then I'm mistreated, you know. So like when clients come or when tourists come, I'm like, no, if I don't want to be mistreated, then it's not right. So I will do my level best to make these clients satisfied. Otherwise, if you're just looking for money, that might be hard. That might be hard to satisfy people. I'm the kind of person you might come with your opinion, maybe this has annoyed you or what, and I calm you down. Just because I am passionate with what I do. I am passionate with travel. I am passionate with tourism. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you've been motivated. I hope you now know what is advisable for you to do. What are you passionate about? You know, are you passionate about maybe cooking? Are you passionate about maybe tailoring or fashion design? Go for your passion. Yes, are you passionate about taking care of other people, looking after other people, making other people happy? You know, very, very, very important. Thank you for listening to me. I wish you the best. I hope you subscribe to this channel. Yes, like I mentioned in the beginning, my channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. I talk about Uganda tourism, East Africa, Africa, holidays world over, as well as affiliate marketing, which is a promotion of other people's products and services to earn commission. And I've recorded a number of videos about travel and affiliate marketing. Please check out my channel and watch these videos. And I'm putting a link of the affiliate marketing list, playlist that I have. Please watch it. And I'm also going to put in the description area, there's a program I joined called Partner with Anthony. This program trained me how to do affiliate marketing, how to earn money on the internet. I'm putting that link there. It will ask for your email. Please put in your email. Then you'll get a response from me. And then that is how we shall start interacting. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you've subscribed. You've clicked that red subscribe button. I hope you've clicked the bell. Give this video a thumbs up if it has added onto you something. If it has edified you, give it a thumbs up. Like, share this video. Thank you for listening to me. I wish you well. Stay safe. Until when my next video will be out. Bye-bye.